Okay, so welcome back, everyone. This is the first session, okay? So, for the normal schedule for the first session, we are going to study from listening starter 3, right? But with this video, teacher would like to review you a little bit about what we just learned, and also hope this video will help you with doing monthly exam in the second session as well, okay? Very good, everyone. So let's start what we're gonna review for today. So review. Okay, so here as you can see, teacher would like to review you about the comparative adjective and how do we use the comparative adjective in the sentences. So, okay, we have form as well. Okay, so you will learn also clear about short and long adjective. Okay, as you can see in this slide, everyone. Okay, so before we can start with this, everyone, teacher would like to ask you some questions. So, can you tell me how have you been so far, and how do you feel right now, everyone? And have you done with the breakfast yet? Okay, so teacher believe you guys have an amazing day today, and teacher too. And yes, and hope you guys feel fresh for this morning and all ready for the first session. Okay, very good, everyone. So let's start with the review altogether. As you can see, adjective and teacher divided into two, short and long adjective. Okay, for the short adjective like tall, like short, small, big, clear, simple. Okay, this is called short adjective, or the adjective that has one or two sounds or two syllables. Okay, so let's take a look at long adjective. Long adjective, look at the forms more plus adjective plus than. Okay, the word that has have long adjective, long sounds like beautiful, comfortable, correct, difficult. Okay, difficult. Yes, very good, everyone. So with the adjective that have a long sound, okay, so you have to add more before adjective, okay, before that adjective, then plus than when we use to compare. But for the adjective that has have short sound like short adjectives like okay, tall, like short, small, big. Okay, so we have to add er after adjective. Okay, yes, very good, everyone. So let's take a look at the example. Ahmed. Ahmed is taller than Ali. Okay, his hand writing. His handwriting is clearer than yours. Clearer than yours. So look at the word clear. Clear is an adjective. So when we use to compare, this adjective has short sound. Okay, so we just add er to the adjective, then plus than. Okay, very good. Let's take a look at long adjective. Example: math is more difficult than English. Math is more difficult than English. Okay, so take a look at the word difficult. Difficult is a word, okay, an adjective, okay, an adjective that has more than two syllables. Difficult. So there are three syllables of this word. So before we write an adjective, we have to write more, okay, more before an adjective and plus than. So this is we use to compare with the long adjective. Got it? Sofa is more comfortable than chair. Okay, look at the word comfortable. How many sound? Comfortable. Okay, 4 sounds. So when we use to compare, we have to add more before an adjective. Before comfortable, then plus then. Okay, very good, everyone. Hope you guys still remember about this. So let's move to next. Okay, so you will feel serious that what is short sound or syllable? Okay, syllable. So in this slide, teacher will tell you about the adjective that have one syllable. Okay, and what should we do for this when we use to compare with the short adjective? So one syllable, we talk about words that have adjectives that have one sound. Okay, one sound, like the word long, sorry, string, big, tall, large, hot. Okay, hot. So can you see these 6 adjectives, everyone? How many sounds that you hear from the what I just read? Okay, one sound, right? Like long, big, tall, large, hot. Okay, so this is called one syllable of adjective, and when we use it to compare, we just add er to the adjective. But you have to remember that some words it ends in consonant, right? Consonant, and the letter before it is vowel. Okay, vowel. So you have to double consonant before you add er. And you can see the word big. Okay, the word big over here, big. So become bigger. So we double g and er. Okay. Look at one more word, the word hot. Hot become hotter. So hotter. As you can see here, hot. T is consonant and O is vowel, right? So we have to double T. Then add er. Now you got it? But for some words we have two vowel sound or two vowel letters. So we don't need to add er, okay? Like the word heat, okay, heat. So we just heater, okay? Very good. So this is one syllable, everyone. So let's go to 2 syllable and more, 3 or more syllables. What should you do with that word? Okay, so look at the example as you can see on the right hand in the slide, okay? The right in the slide. So honest. So how many words? Honest. 2 words, right? Sorry, 2 syllables. 2 syllables. So we have to add more honest. Look at the word famous. Famous. How many sounds? There are 2 sounds, right? Famous. So famous. So we have to add more before the word famous when we use it in the comparative. Okay. So look at the word happy, everyone. Happy. So happy. Why don't we add more before happy? Why don't we say more happy than more happy? This is because happy and in Y, okay? Happy and in Y, and it is 2 syllables. So we have to change Y to I-E-R, okay? Change Y to I-E-R, become happier. Like the word crazy. So 2 sound or 2 syllable, right? Okay, we don't add more, but we add I-E-R, okay? Just change Y to I-E-R. Next, narrow, okay, narrow. So with this word, okay, you have to remember, narrow, there are 2 sounds, but we don't add more as well. We just add ER in the end, okay? Narrow. Become narrower, okay? Next, gentler, okay, gentler. So, yes, very good, everyone. That's all for 1 syllable and 2 syllables. Go to 3 or more syllables. What should you do for this kinds of adjective when we use it in comparative? Okay, so as you know that 2 or more than 3 or more than, so we just add more before an adjective. Okay, before we use it in the comparative. It means when we use it in the comparative sentence, okay? Next, expensive. It becomes more expensive when we use it with comparative, okay? Dangerous, more dangerous. Popular, more popular. Confident, more confident. Difficult, more difficult. Okay, so you got this? Okay, so like the word expensive. So 3 sound, right? Dangerous, 3 sound. Popular, 3 sound. beautiful, 3 sounds. Confident, so 3 sounds as well. Difficult, 3 sounds as well. Okay, so we add more before this adjective. Got it? Okay, that's all, everyone. So if you have questions, you can leave your question below this video. Okay, all right, very good, everyone. Let teacher say goodbye and see you on Monday.